What's good, everybody? T your Pearl WCMX here. I'm all about WCMX, sustainability, my crooked accessibility, and living a healthy lifestyle. Did I miss something? WCMX, sustainability, accessibility, and living a healthy lifestyle. Got it! It's literally been almost a week since I picked up this camera. I'm so sorry. Sorry that all the vlogs are uploaded late. I really needed time to break and figure things out when I got home. Right now I got this busted car jacked up. It was involved in a little, guess you could call it, ditch slide. That's why it's broken. But as you guys already know, I gave Ann's coworker an invoice for breaking it right here. So that's kind of convenient when that happens, when it gets more messed up after you are already, like after someone else is going to already replace the parts. So yeah, but right now the hood won't pop. The cable's broken. So all the forums are telling me to go under the car and from behind the wheel well, but lucky for me, this side is already all broken. One from when we hit the raccoon when we were going to Texas for the Worlds. Two now from this. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, and it's freezing out here, like legit. But I'm on the creeper, about to go under the Benzie and try to get in there because she really needs oil. So I'm gonna spend like the next, I don't know, 5 hours trying to figure it out. So wish me luck, guys. Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Because I hit the raccoon, like I said, the other side was easily accessible, but this side has this plastic cover over it. I can never really get these off. I can never get enough leverage on my lug nuts manually, so I'm just trying to work around it. But what they said is if you can get that off, then you can access the same latch that I accessed on the other side. And to access the latch, I was under the car on the creeper, and then I actually just put duct tape at the end of this so it would stay a little better where I was trying to push it, because I had just enough length with this to hold it against the latch and then just tap the hammer on it a few times and the other side popped right up. But then I got to this side and this cover's here, so right now I got my ratchet somewhere. What did I do with it now? Oh, it's right here. But I've been listening to copyrighted music most of the time, so I haven't really been hanging out with you guys, but I thought I'd fill you in. Got this under here. Taking off these little plastic caps. And just so you guys know, I'm about 2 hours into this, so I've been really frustrated actually, because it's taking my whole day, but the car really needs oil, and I'd ask Larry, my mechanic, to help me, but he gets impatient sometimes, so I don't want him to break anything. But yeah, it's got these little plastic caps on it, so doing that. I've got to find the flashlight so I can see how many I have left. I don't know where my regular flashlight is, but good old smartphones. Alright, looks like 1, 2, 3 more, 4 more. There's some up there, but I don't think I need to get those. Alright, maybe 4 more, so I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Tapping you up for now. Oh my gosh. I know you can still hear me. Alright guys, I'll show you with the flashlight so you can see what's going on. This is actually just like falling down, so I might as well just take it out, and it looks like it's just attached with this one bolt. So we're gonna go for that. See if this is the side. wasn't even the one. There we go. I can't see from where I am. Okay then. So this is just a hole for dirt anyways, so I'm gonna get rid of that. We gotta get a new one. But for now, let's see. It's okay because it really is just protecting the floodlights, but the one's broken anyways. Now I have access to the thermostat too, so I can get a new thermometer. Alright, moving on. Alright guys, April 18th, 2018, and yeah, 1 month, almost 1 month in the spring, and we got snow. No joke.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah, it is pretty, but it is pretty cold. And
Pretty cold.
I know.
It's really cold.
It's really cold. I never got the other side of the hood popped, so I literally still have this side propped
Guess
open.
what?
What?
This is the last snow.
The last snow. Yes.
So it's really nice to see. Poor little baby cows in the snow though.
I know. Oh my
So
gosh.
sad.
So we have a couple cats back here because we have to take them to get fixed, and so that's why
She means neutered. We're taking them to get neutered.
they're getting neutered. So we're gonna go stay out near Chicago, and by the time you guys see this anyways, it'll be like a week later because I'm really behind on vlogs. But new one will be up today, but that's irrelevant.
Totally.
So yeah, Aiden's back there reading, and we're just gonna venture out
What are you reading,
in
dude?
the snow.
What book you got?
One of your favorites, Tale of Peter Rabbit and Other Stories by
Beatrix Potter.
yeah.
So if anything exciting happens, we'll fill you in, but I don't know.
She was homeschooled. P.S.
Oh, Beatrix Potter was homeschooled. Yes. PPS. Cap no. So you guys can now call me hashtag. Oh my gosh, so I'm just gonna have to change my name to like hashtag Tia Pearl Bad Vlogger because take 3. It's the 3rd time I've done this. Now you should just call me hashtag Tia Pearl Worst Vlogger because this morning stuck in traffic, didn't vlog it. Brought the camera, didn't vlog it. Went into the place, like we got there, okay, we didn't think we were going to get there on time because we were stuck in Chicago traffic trying to get to Anti-Cruelty Society. A 10-mile drive, supposed to be 23 minutes or something, takes an hour and a half when we thought it was going to take 45. Finally get down there. Then I just like briefly read the sign. I thought it said that you had to go around the corner, so we get the chair out and everything. We're rushing, we go all the way around the corner. No, actually the door we needed to go to was right by where we parked. Anne's like, oh my gosh, you're driving crazy. So then we were on a Starbucks mission when we got out of there. But anyways, I was feeling so rushed and tired that I brought the camera and I didn't vlog with it. So good job to you. Be nicer to your camera. So yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about being the worst vlogger ever since I got back from my trip. Oh my gosh, I've been horrible. Not editing, not recording, not doing anything. So yeah, we're still in Chicago. My necklace keeps twisting. We're chilling. It's like 50 degrees, so it's pretty good. But went to lunch with my papa. Always good to see him. I love you, Papa. I felt bad because he was missing them, but Aiden was here chilling and was relaxing because we were up so freaking early. Oh my god. So they missed each other, but I was happy I got to see him, and we're gonna go out there soon. It's good to still have my silver Mercedes to drive, I can't even lie. So it needs a few things done, a little bit of a tune-up, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but I love that car. So at least I still have one. But another one will come, you guys. Don't worry. I went from 3 E320s to 2 E320s. Or 2 to 3 to 2, I don't know. Anyways, good news is, if all goes well, I will be selling that wagon for almost what I bought it for, and I would be pretty happy with that. So shout out to those folks that are probably going to buy the car off me and fix it and hopefully get some great use out of it, but not worth it for me now to put the money into it and get it home. It's going to be too much overall. So that's the update, you guys. Just chilling. Gonna go finish my noodles pretty soon from Noodles and Company, and yeah, just try to enjoy the day until we have to go get the cats. So I'm sure we'll take you guys along if we go anywhere cool or do anything cool, or cool. Okay, peace. Wait, I don't know why I always do that. I don't need to do that, so see you in a little bit. I don't think I'll ever see that and think Willis Tower.
No, never. But that kind of speaks to things that are ingrained in when you're a kid. Well, we can never change our view. Uh-oh, we better change it right now.
That's right.
And then in 10 years, we should just start calling it the Pearl Tower.
The Pearl Tower.
And then we should change it every 10 years just to keep ourselves elastic.
Yeah.
And neuroplastic.
When did it become the Willis Tower?
Willis Insurance bought it, and it was probably, I mean, it was before Aiden was born, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Almost 10 years, maybe. Yeah, because I remember saying, "Who is Willis?" and it was like right around when Aiden was born. Who is Willis?
What you talking about, Willis?
Willis Insurance. Sears just like went down. Sears has like no stores now.
Yeah.
Bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 they wish. Hey, hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm
Sorry, 52, why you ain't got it tatted on me? 81, I bring the crushes to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03. Actually bringing with you guys, yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of good grammar. I'm actually bringing you guys along. No, I probably won't bring you in, honestly. We gotta get the cats. But we're gonna be there early this time. What does it say?
Have to pee.
They always have to pee. We're 5 minutes away.
You always have to pee. What do you mean?
I never have to pee.
Aiden, sing your Dunkin' Donuts song.
Dunkin' Donuts, Dunkin' Donuts, Dunkin' Donuts, Dunkin' Donuts, Dunkin' Donuts.
You like saw the sign and started going for it. It's all decorated for Chinese New Year.
Wow.